Kiss on the lips from Carnival. How to make kiss on lips. Really easy. You have peach snaps, mango, puree, or you can do, frozen mango chunks, and grenadine, a measuring cup, ice, and a blender. That's the only way you can make it. Be authentic. And 2 glasses, or 1 if it's just you by yourself. So let's get into how to make it. What's up, Vacay fam? We got something spicy tonight. We're gonna do some drinks. You know how I do it. I always have some drinks going on. So we're about to do the kiss on the lips. You know what I'm saying? I got all the ingredients, so it's real simple. So follow along with me if y'all want to make that Carnival kiss on lips drink. Since we all can't, travel right now, this will be definitely a good drink to have at the house. So we got the peach peach snaps, whatever you call it. And, I got the big one because I do more than one. I got the mango puree, and grenadine. That's all you need. You get a measuring cup, ice, and a blender, and some glasses. So alright, let's get into the ingredients. So with the mango, you need just 1 cup of mango. Open up the blender and get a good blender because you got to blend up, some ice and stuff like that. So make sure you get a good blender, that don't break down on you, Ninja. Blender. I recommend a Ninja blender. If you're gonna be doing this like that, because you want it to come out right, stuff like that. So you want about 1 cup of this. Get a good measuring cup to get you good the proper measurements and stuff like that. So 1 cup. This is really good. So if you're making any kind of drink, so it's gonna be 1 cup, right? Yep, 1 cup. Of the mango. Alright, you gotta be cute about it. You know what I'm saying? It's going down one to the same spot. Alright, peach snaps, peach tree, whatever one you like. Now this one, all you need is about, 6 ounces of peach tree. So you just get your measurements of all that. Alrighty. A little bit for the road. Alright. Alright. Look good, smells good. You know what I'm saying? Might need to put a little bit more in there. We'll see. As we go. But yeah, that's all you need. Throw a little ice in there. The reason why I mentioned the Ninja because it got 3 blades. It does real well. The blending. I do a lot of my smoothies right here, so it does real well. Make sure you get some good ice. Put in there. That might seem like a lot of ice, but hey, you want to get it real smooth and like my wife say, creamy. That's her favorite word. Alright, so let's make this cup cute. So that's all got the glass. That's where the grenadine comes into play. You do probably like 2 ounces of this at the bottom of the glass. That's all it is. That's about it. You can swirl it around, give it some color, something like that. That's about it. These are pretty cute glasses too. So if you're gonna go do a Carnival drink, you might as well hook it up you know, with some nice glasses at the same time. Alrighty, you know, you gotta put this bad boy, it's gonna be loud, so you know, just saying. Okay, now as you're blending, make sure you blend till smooth, till the ice is actually fully broke down and smooth. Don't overly blend it because you actually lose the texture of it, so make sure you blend it for about a good 2 minutes. But when you start hearing it sound smooth, then that's when you stop. But you can definitely you know, stop it and check on it. But if it's not smooth, then continue blending until smooth. You want to have an icy consistency with your drink, so make sure you blend till it's an icy consistency like slush. Alrighty. Ooh, that's a lot. Yeah, blend it till it gets smooth, slushy. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause that's the best thing. So, ooh, that smells mango. Smells really good. I like the cruise ship. Alrighty, so. Alright, guys. Does that look like on the ship? I think so. I think we got winter chicken dinner. So that's all it is to it. If you want to throw a little cherry on top, you can. Throw a little straw in here. Hey, and call it a cruise night. So hope you enjoyed it. And let me try it out for you. Man. Ooh, that doesn't look like on the ship. Hey, I made my own kiss on the lips. My wife gonna like this. She gonna kiss me on the lips for this one. So definitely, if y'all wanna go back to the ingredients, I'm gonna have all the ingredients, you know, in the description below. So y'all can follow along. Real simple. You can see it's real simple. These are all the ingredients, you know, real reasonable in price. You know what I'm saying? No more than probably less than 15, 20 bucks. You know, probably less than that. You know, but that's it. You know what I'm saying? I'll kiss on the lips. So this is your boy KC. You know, I'm gonna bring it to you live. You know, so this is KC from Shawn and KC on Vacay mode. Hope you enjoyed the video, and definitely see you on Vacay mode. If you'd like to join us, we go live every Sunday, 6 p.m. Central Time. You know, to answer your latest travel news, tips, and cruise questions. We do live Q&A. Travel Q&A, as well as we do a little travel trivia. So come on, stop on by and hang out and enjoy yourself, and maybe you can have a kiss on the lips and hang out with us every Sunday, 6 p.m. Central Time, and see you on Vacay mode. Bye for now, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our latest live streams and latest cruise updates.